Hello everyone, my name is Johan. Today, I will share with you about my guitar learning journey. Why I started learning guitar. I started learning guitar when I was 15 years old. At that time, I was in high school and felt very frustrated with my studies. I wanted to find something to help me relieve stress and have more joy in my life. I had heard guitar music for a long time and always found it very enjoyable. I thought that playing guitar would help me relax and relieve stress also. I wanted to learn guitar so I could write my own music. How I felt when I started playing guitar. I started learning guitar under the guidance of a friend. The first few days were very difficult. I couldn't play the notes correctly and couldn't keep rhythm. But I didn't give up and kept practicing every day. After a while of practicing, I started to enjoy guitar more. I was very happy to be able to play a song on my own. I also felt very comfortable and relaxed when playing guitar. Whenever I play guitar, I feel like I'm immersed in the music. I forget about the worries and stresses of life. I just focus on the notes and the sound of the guitar. Benefits of learning guitar. Learning guitar brought me many benefits, both mentally and physically. Mentally, learning guitar helps me relax and relieve stress. When I play guitar, I can forget about the worries and fatigue of life. Improve my mood. Learning guitar helps me feel happier, more positive, and more in love with life. Stimulate creativity. Learning guitar gives me more ideas and inspiration to create. Physically, learning guitar helps me improve my motor skills. When I play guitar, I have to use many muscles in my hands, neck, and legs. This helps to improve my motor skills. Improve my hand-eye coordination. When I play guitar, I have to coordinate my hands and eyes rhythmically. This helps to improve my hand-eye coordination. Improve my focus. When I play guitar, I have to focus heavily on playing the notes correctly and keeping rhythm. This helps to improve my ability to focus. Some memorable moments. When I first started learning guitar, I entered a guitar competition for high school students. I was very excited and nervous, but in the end, I won second place. It was a very memorable experience for me. When I was in college, I joined a guitar club. In the club, I met and made friends with many people who love guitar. We often go to concerts together, practice together, and share our interests in guitar. This was a very fun and memorable time for me. When I work, I often play guitar to relax and relieve stress. After work, thanks to guitar, I feel like my work is easier and less stressful. Advice for those who want to learn guitar. If you want to learn guitar, I have some tips for you as follows. Choose a guitar that fits you. Find a good teacher to guide you. Be patient and practice every day. I believe that if you persevere and strive, you will learn how to play guitar. Have great experiences with this instrument.